out. So before we would start, I would like to introduce myself first. So I am Daimi Dumalag.
And I am Angeline Bumpas.
I'm Michael Caberti.
Good evening, Mom. So I am Daimi Dumalag, and me and my members would like to have an interview with you about your business, which is restaurant. So can you state your name first and about your business?
I'm Nanette Canyadora and I own Genet Restaurant.
So my question is, what economic factors or inflation, interest rates, or exchange rates have the most impact on your business?
For me, then the economics right now is not good effect for my business. So especially my current bill like gas and then the electricity was so high than before. It's like 20% higher than normal. So and also my ingredients was also 50% higher now than before. So it's so hard for me to make my costing for my price list for my menu, and some people cannot understand that I need to be higher at my price because of our economic realities.
Question now is, what do you consider your company is different that give it a competitive advantage?
Yeah, when I have my business, so I can provide my daily needs, my payment bills, and then house expenses, and I have extra for my bank for my in case of emergency. That's a big advantage compared when I working. I'm always short for a month.
What challenges or limitation does your business currently face?
During the pandemic time, so that time was hard already to get salary every month for my workers. And I know they have hard time as well because of the situation. So and then later on, I need to close my business because of that because I cannot earn anymore, and I feel pity for them. For my own, I have my savings of my bank a little bit so I can survive. But for their own, they need to find out by their own how can they live.
What emerging trends or market changes do you see as opportunities for growth?
Actually, I have my own style for my building. The Genet restaurant is popular about knitting. So we have handicraft like on our base and our tables. It's all knitted. So all the foreigners was love it because they like locals material. So and then also my recipe or all of my menu is international cuisine. So everybody can learn like Chinese, Korean, or white people, and that's Genet popular.
What external factor, for example, competitors pose the biggest threats to your business?
For me, it's big effect when you are always around, especially uh, we are in the tourist area. So I'm more like, welcome to them, talk to them when they are eating, ask them how is the food and how is the service, and then actually that's making it more popular and we talk about it that they have good food also because I'm also a cook. So I can check everything. And also I'm a bartender. So I can check also my blood test. And then, so no big mistakes happen, especially when it's cooking. Sometimes you have raw or overcooked. So I always watch that. Because white people or Asian people, they like really juicy and perfect food, hot serving. And that's what I think where sometimes they just let their workers do that. Manager or supervisor and they are not around. So I think that's why I'm a little better than them.
That's all, and thank you for your time and sharing your information.
My pleasure.